Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Instagram network request fail error and the try again later problems quickly. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First check your internet or Wi-Fi connection and now turn on airplane mode and again turn off airplane mode. Okay, done. And go to your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and tap on search bar, search Instagram, tap on Instagram app and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, clear cache, clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow, back second call logs allow, back contacts allow, back and camera location, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos. Okay, first to last allow all permission, complete. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram update, tap on Instagram update, check your update Instagram. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, done. And go to your Instagram app and I hope your problem has been solved successfully. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.